Vowel sounds. Do you remember vowel sounds? Read the words and recall. A, E, I, O, U. A. Mad, sad, bad, tag, cam, ram, fan, man, cap, map, fat, mat. E. Bed, red, wed, beg, leg, peg, den, hen, ten, jet, pet, wet. I. Nib, rib, kid, head, big, dig, dim, whim, bin, pin, hit, sit. O. Mob, rob, rod, pod, dog, fog, hop, top, hot, pot, box, fox. U. Bud, mud, bug, hug, gum, some, bun, fun, pup, sup, hut, nut.